Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your device is updated and your AirPods are actively connected. This reduces variable behavior. Once done, put the AirPods in your ears so sensors register them, then open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Make sure you select the small I next to the AirPods name to access device-specific options. You do this because the In-Device menu exposes call controls and gesture mappings. Changing them here prevents accidental hang-ups at the system level. Next, modify the control mappings so physical gestures no longer trigger call disconnects. You should set double tap or press and hold to play /pause or off. This stops a call from ending when you tap. Also disable hold for Siri if voice triggers are misinterpreting commands. If calls cut out when removing one bud, turn off automatic ear detection. You will keep audio consistent and avoid accidental hang-ups. These changes directly control how your AirPods interpret taps and sensor changes. Finally, you verify the fixes by making a test call and intentionally performing the actions that previously caused hang-ups. If the problem persists, reset your AirPods, place them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, and then repair. Make sure to reapply your preferred settings after repairing. If problems continue, try the same AirPods with another phone to isolate whether the issue is the AirPods or the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.